shooting? There we go. Now you can see I'm in the car. I'm up on Battle Mountain Pass. I don't know if you can see the snow being blown up the road, and it's actually shaking the car right now. I'm about to step outside into this stuff. It's freaking nuts out there. Here we go. You ready? That's Gilpin down there. That's our oldest or most recent ghost town. Here we go. This is what I would say be gale force winds up here on the pass. You see a car going by. It's blowing like a filming. Yeah, okay. I'm having to stand. Holy cow! I can't stay here very long. Wow! Unreal! That's a nice mountain up there. You can't even see it. That's looking back up Battle Mnt Pass. This is crazy. Holy cow! I can't stay out here any longer. That's freaking nuts. Alright, that's about it. Holy cow. Wow. And that's what a Colorado windstorm is like up on Battle Mnt Pass. Pretty interesting, isn't it? I'm already frozen pretty much, to be honest. Wow. Yeah, that's something else. You can tell how quiet it is in the car. Alright, well, that's about it. I'm going to try and post this.